Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Level of measurement. There are two basic types of variables, quantitative and categorical. Already discuss किया हमने पिछले topic में. Each uses different types of analysis and measurement requiring the use of different types of measurement scales. A scale of a variable gives a certain structure to the variable and also defines the meaning of the variable. There are four types of measurement scales. कौन कौन से हैं? नॉमिनल स्केल है, ऑर्डिनल स्केल है, इंटरवल स्केल है एंड रेशियो स्केल है. नॉमिनल स्केल सबसे पहले बात करते हैं नॉमिनल स्केल की. नॉमिनल स्केल क्या होता है? नॉमिनल स्केल इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ मेजरमेंट researcher can use. The word nominal means having to do with names. Measurement made on this scale involves merely naming things. It consists of a set of categories that have different names. Such measurement labels and categories observations but do not make quantitative distinction between them. For example, if we wish to know the sex of a person responding to the questionnaire, we measure it on nominal scale consisting of two categories, male or female. A researcher observing the behavior of a group of infant monkey might categorize responses as playing, grooming, feeding, acting aggressively, or showing submissiveness as the researcher merely gives names to each category. So this is a nominal scale of measurement. The nominal scale consists of qualitative distinctions. Although a nominal scale consists of qualitative differences, yet it does not provide any information about quantitative differences between individual. Numerical values like 0 and 1 are merely used as code for nominal categories when entering data into computer programs. नॉमिनल स्केल सिंपल नाम से कैटेगराइज किया जाता है, मेल फीमेल. इसकी हमने एग्जांपल स्टडी की. सेकंड हम स्टडी कर रहे हैं ऑर्डिनल स्केल. Ordinal scale of measurement, the category that make up the scale, not only have separate names but also are ranked इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड. इसमें हम नेमिंग के साथ साथ उनको रैंक भी करते हैं मैग्नीट्यूड के लिहाज से. दिस स्केल कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ सेट ऑफ कैटेगरीज दैट आर organized in an ordered sequence. For example, a manager of a company is asked to rank employees in terms of how well they perform their duties. The collected data will tell us who the manager considers the best worker, the second best, and so on. The data may reveal that the worker who is ranked second is viewed as doing better work than the worker who is ranked third. However, we can get no information about the amount that the worker differ in job performance. For example, we cannot get answer of the question how much better. Thus, an ordinal scale provides us information about the direction of difference between two measurements, but it does not reveal the magnitude of the डिफरेंस. यानी कि हमने रैंक करना फर्स्ट कौन है, सेकंड कौन है, थर्ड कौन है, इसे हम ऑर्डिनल स्केल बोलेंगे. नाउ थर्ड स्केल इज इंटरवल स्केल. इंटरवल स्केल की हम अगर बात करें तो इंटरवल स्केल में क्या, एन इंटरवल स्केल प्रोसेसेस ऑल द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ एन ऑर्डिनल स्केल. इसमें नॉमिनल और ऑर्डिनल स्केल्स की भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती हैं with additional features. क्या होते हैं? कैटेगराइज फॉर्म अ सीरीज ऑफ इंटरवल. ये एक सीरीज ऑफ इंटरवल के लिहाज से कैटेगराइज करते हैं that are exactly the same size. This additional information makes it possible to compute distance between values on an interval scale. For example, on a ruler, 1 inch interval is the same size at every location of the ruler. Similar 4-inch distance is exactly the same size no matter where it is made on the ruler. Similar, the distance between the score of 70 to 80 is considered to be the same as the distance between the score of 80 to 90. यानी कि 10 का इंटरवल है 70 से 80 और 80 से 90 के दरमियान. For all practical purposes, these numbers can undergo arithmetic operations to be transformed into meaningful results. Interval scales answer the questions how much better or how much is the difference, but there is no intrinsic zero or starting point. The 0 point on the interval scale does not indicate a total absence of what is being made. For example, 0 degree on the Celsius and Fahrenheit scale does not indicate no temperature. Fourth one is ratio scale, the last level of measurement scale. A ratio scale has all the characteristics of an interval scale. इसमें तमाम interval scale की characteristics मौजूद होते हैं, but adds an absolute 0 point. इसमें क्या ऐड होता है? Absolute 0.0% रेशियो भी होती है. It means On a ratio scale, a value of 0 indicates complete absence of the variable being measured. Advantage of absolute zero is that a ratio of numbers on scale reflects ratio of magnitude for the variable being measured. We can say that one measurement is three times larger than another, or one score is only half as large as another. Thus, ratio scale not only enables us to measure the difference between two individuals, but also इंडिविजुअल्स के दरमियान डिफरेंस ही नहीं बताती, ये भी बताती है डिस्क्राइब द डिफरेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ रेशियो के मुताबिक. अब हम नेक्स्ट स्टडी करेंगे द साइंटिफिक मेथड.